I'm Ronnie from Ronnie's Garage in Southern California. Welcome to our first hands-on, without touching Zoom technical meet. And what we're going to do today, instead of being super vehicle specific, we're going to be talking about basic electrical concepts and testing. The question is, if you do LED bulbs, do you have to change the fuses? And the answer is no. The LED bulbs actually use a lot less current. They're much more efficient. They're cooler. So it's usually just a matter of changing whatever fits into the old bulb holder with your new LED bulb. Now, there is one problem with the LEDs, and that is in the turn signal circuit, because the turn signal, it has a flasher, which is just like a circuit breaker. So what's happening is when you turn those turn signals on, your bulbs will come on. Inside it gets hot and it opens circuit, and it cools real fast and it opens circuit. So that's what makes your lights flash. So it's a little bimetal spring, and it's supposed to put some current through it. Now, when you put LED bulbs through, they don't draw much current, so your flasher won't work. Now, they do make some LED bulbs specifically for turn signals that will add that current. In other words, they have a bypass with a resistor to add more current to go through it to make the flasher work. That's the only place that LED bulbs don't really like to be, is in the turn signals. All right. I want to thank everyone for their patience. The ones of you that did stay here with our technical difficulties. I promise next time we're going to be ahead of that game a little bit better. And thanks for coming.
Thanks, Ronnie.
All right.
Thank you.
Ronnie.
Thank you, Ronnie. Take care, everybody.